Speedy access to FoxPro data from Delphi. Access FoxPro data using the speed of Rushmore in Delphi. Delphi developer January 1999 Copyright Pinnacle Publishing Incorporated. All rights reserved. Speedy access to FoxPro data from Delphi. Steve Zimmelman. When Borland announced that Delphi 3 was going to have FoxPro DBF/CDX drivers, there was some excitement from FoxPro developers who were attempting to migrate their applications to Delphi. The excitement was short-lived, however, when they realized that the drivers didn't have the same punch as their native cousin. The small OLE DLL presented in this article might be the bridge that finally brings the two together. I recently developed an application for our company in Delphi 3 that reads the tables in our FoxPro DOS legacy system. Everything went fine in beta, so we started to distribute the application to our clients. There was, however, one oversight. We never tested the system against tables that were highly populated. When we installed the application at one of our largest client sites, the application fell to its knees and died. The problem: the BDE was attempting some complex queries using Local SQL against a table that had approximately 2 million records in it. Our client informed us that queries were taking as much as 72 hours to complete. This of course was not acceptable, so I started to investigate alternate ways of running the queries. The result was a Visual FoxPro (VFP) OLE object in the form of a DLL that runs the queries, or almost any FoxPro command, from within Delphi, transparently, and with the speed of Rushmore. Using this technology, the query time dropped from hours to seconds. For those who are not familiar with Visual FoxPro, it has a feature called macro substitution, which is the basis for the OLE DLL. Macro substitution treats the contents of a memory variable as a literal character string. When an ampersand and precedes a string-type memory variable, the contents of the variable is treated just like a hand-typed command, and is executed. The code for the VFP OLE DLL is actually very simple, and can contain as little as a single procedure or function. I chose to write a few procedures that were specific to the application, but also included some generic ones that might be used by any application. For the sake of simplicity, I've included only the generic procedures and functions in the code below. *program VFP _OL.PRG * Visual FoxPro 5 OLE DLL define class VFP _OL _server as container OLE public procedure init * the procedure init is automatically * executed when the DLL is loaded. Set talk off set safe off on error do OL _error with error, no, message, program, set exclusive off set null on * if dialog is on and a DBF that was * created without a code page is opened. The code page dialog box will confront * the user. Set dialog off * set reprocess to 1 * move FoxPro main screen way off to the bit bucket * so it will not be seen if it is made visible. Move Windows screen to -1000 modify Windows screen title VFP OLE hide Windows screen and PROC procedure set dir parameter CDIR set default to m.cdir and PROC function exe SQL parameter C SQL private nrecic file C file src C full path C dest path alias is VFP file C DBF file name and handle L as VFP file =f C full path equals set full path * show main VFP window so file * dialog box will be visible * if VFP can't find a file that * is needed for the SQL command. Show Windows screen * execute SQL statement * C SQL equals all trim m.c SQL and C SQL * hide Windows screen * nrecs equals _tally * set full path on C file src equals dbf. Use * check table type. * if type is Visual FoxPro convert * to Fox2x. The BDE doesn't support VFP tables and handle equals fopen m.c file src. If nhandle -1 L as VFP file equals fgets m.nhandle1 equals chr 48 equals fclose m.nhandle and diffuse m.c file src exclusive C dest path equals left dbf rat \dbf. If m.l as VFP file convert result to Fox2x format C file equals T plus right sys 3 7 copy to m.c dest path plus m.c file type Fox2x use erase m.c file src if file left m.c file src len m.c file src -4 plus .ftp erase left m.c file src, len, m.c file src, -4, plus.ftp, and diff rename, m.c destpath and m.c file plus.dbf, 2, m.c file src, if file, m.c destpath and m.c file plus.fpt, rename, m.c destpath and m.c file plus.fpt, 2, left, m.c file src, len, m.c file src, -4, plus.ftp, and diffuse, m.c file src, exclusive and diff restore full path settings, set full path and see full path, return result record count, return, m.nrecs, and func procedure set path parameter, c path set path to, m.c path, and proc procedure. Fox command parameter ccmd and ccmd and proc function Fox function parameter cfunc private rtn equals and cfunc return, m.rtn, and func define procedure OLE_error handle DLL internal errors parameter error line C message cprg if m.nerror equals 1707, cdx not present, OK to retry else message box, m.c message plus chr, 13, plus chr, 13, plus, error hashtag plus str, m.nerror 5, plus chr, 13, plus, at line hashtag plus str, m.nline 5, plus chr, 13, plus, in plus m.cprg plus chr, 13, plus chr, 13, plus, c file OLE_error.txt for details. 16. Error in VFP_OLE.DLL module, *** dump memory and file status to text file. * create cursor OLE error, text m, 10. List status no console to file OLE_stat.tmp list memory like * no console to file OLE_mem.tmp append blank replace text with replicate 80 plus chr 13 plus chr 10 plus dtoc date plus time plus chr 13 plus chr 10 plus pad c status 80 plus chr 13 plus chr 10. Append memo text from OLE_stat.tmp replace text with chr 13 plus chr 10 plus pad C, memory 80, asterisk, plus, CHR, 13, plus CHR, 10, ADI append memo air text from OL_MEM.TMP replace air text with CHR 13 plus CHR 10 plus pad C dash end error dash 80 asterisk plus CHR 13 plus CHR 10 ADI if file OL_air.text copy memo air text to OL_air.text ADI else copy memo air text to OL_air.text and diff erase OL_stat.tmp erase OL_mem.tmp asterisk close data hide Windows screen asterisk dash the cancel command causes Delphi asterisk dash to be able to trap the error. Cancel asterisk and diff and proc asterisk eof vfp_ol.prg. After the DLL is compiled, it must be registered with regexvr32.exe, which is distributed with Windows 95 and NT and should be in the \Windows\system directory for Windows 95 and \Windows\system32 for NT. However, this process can be automated by the Delphi application at runtime. See function register DLL. In the Delphi application I created a method that attempts to instantiate the DLL at runtime, and another to register the DLL if the instantiation method fails. In addition, I have two global variables, vFoxOL and bIsFoxOL. vFoxOL is a variant that points to the OLE object and bIsFoxOL is a boolean that tells the application if the OLE object was successfully instantiated. This way I can write the application to handle FoxPro data with the VFP OLE or the BDE. You must also have a reference to commobj in the uses clause of the form that instantiates the DLL. In the form's create method, I call the function isFoxOL to instantiate the OLE DLL. The Delphi function createOL object is used to create a connection to the OLE object and returns a pointer to the object which is stored in the variable vFoxOL. createOL object is used with a string parameter that points to the class name that is being instantiated. In this case, the name of the DLL is VFP_OL and the class is VFP_OL_server. So to make a connection I used createOL object, VFP_OL.VFP_OL_server. Procedure tfrmfox.form create sender t-object begin if not isFoxOL then begin register DLL //initialize B as FoxOL with the result // of the instantiation attempt. If the OLE // object was registered, then the result will // will be true. B is FoxOL equals is FoxOL, and else B is FoxOL equals true, and function tfrmfox.is FoxOL, boolean, begin try / instantiate the OLE object v FoxOL equals create OL object. VFP underscore OL dot VFP underscore OL underscore server, result equals true, except result equals false, and procedure tfrmfox.register DLL / if regsvr32.exe exists register DLL / will look for VFP underscore OL.dll / in two places //1 the \windows \system /2 the current directory var a array 0-100 of char /sysdir string scurdir string begin get system directory at a 100 sysdir equals a sysdir equals add bs sysdir scurdir equals add bs get current dir if file exists sysdir plus regsvr32.exe then begin if file exists sysdir plus vfp underscore OL.dll then begin win exec pchar plus sysdir plus regsvr32.exe plus sysdir plus vfp underscore OL.dll sw underscore show normal, and else if file exists scurdir plus vfp underscore OL.dll then begin win exec pchar plus sysdir plus regsvr32.exe plus scurdir plus vfp underscore OL.dll sw underscore show normal, and else begin raise exception. Create cannot register VFP underscore OL.dll, and practical use. Suppose you have an invoice application and you need to know how much money is owed, the age, and who owes it. Your query form might look like this: insert file, qform1.bmp here. When the user clicks the OK button, the SQL statement is dynamically created and sent to the DLL as a parameter for processing. It is important to note that the SQL string has an into table as part of the statement. Without this, the Delphi application has no way of picking up the result data. There are three ways you can handle the creation of the table. 1. Create the table on the user's local temp directory with a static file name. 2. Write a function that creates a unique file name or use the Windows API function getTempFileName. 3. Combine both 1 and 2 and create a unique file name in the Windows temp directory. For network environments, I find that option 3 is the safest. It's equally important to use the method setDir before and after the query execution. This is so FoxPro knows where to find the tables it's being queried against, and so the Delphi application can find its way back home. If you don't set dir after the query, then there is a fairly good chance that the Delphi application won't be able to find external components like AVI, BMP, or WAV files it needs. This is because FoxPro physically changes the directory pointer. This example assumes the DBF tables are in the same directory as the Delphi executable. The function getTempDir is a simple wrapper function that uses the Windows API to get the Windows temp directory. The SQL select statement is dynamically created based on the days past due, and the result table is created in the Windows temp directory in a file called myquery.dbf. After myquery.dbf is created, the Table 1 object is assigned its contents and displayed in the grid. Procedure tfrmfox.btnexe query click, sender, tobject, var SQL text, string, irecs, integer, sapdir, string, begin. If B is foxhole, then begin // get application directory path sapdir equals extract file path, application.exe name. If e_pastdue.text equals, then e_pastdue.text equals 0, SSQL text equals select client.name, plus invoice.acctno, invoice.balance, plus date, invoice.date, as age plus from client invoice plus where plus client.acctno equals invoice.acctno, and plus date. Invoice.date equals plus e_pastdue.text plus order by client.name age plus into table plus getTempDir plus myquery / make sure the table object that reads / the result is closed before the query / is executed. If table1.active, then begin table1.close / make sure table is deleted after close table1.deletable, and //assign temporary file name to table1 table1.table name equals myquery.dbf / assign temporary directory to table1 table1.database name equals getTempDir / set VFP default directory to where the / fox DBFs are stored. vfoxOL.setDir sapdir / execute the query irecs equals vfoxOL.exe SQL SSQL text label 7.caption equals into str irecs if irecs equals 0 then message dlg no records found in query. Empty information mbok0, else begin // exe SQL, leaves the result table open / so you can pre-process the table in / VFP before Delphi opens it. / these indexes are used to change / the sort order by clicking on the / grid title. vfoxOL.fox command index on name tag name vfoxOL.fox command index on age tag age vfoxOL.fox command index on ACCTNO tag ACCTNO vfoxOL.fox command index on balance tag balance vfoxOL.fox command close database table1.open and else begin message dlg vfp_OL.DLL not instantiated empty error mbok and / if b is foxOL and with this DLL you have the ability to do from within Delphi almost anything you can do from within FoxPro. It's not just limited to simple macro substitution, but can be used to develop Delphi front ends that utilize the entire Visual FoxPro database structure. Now I'm not suggesting that we all start using Visual FoxPro for our backends, but it does make a nice bridge for those of us who are migrating our DOS and Windows applications from FoxPro to Delphi and need the speed of Rushmore. There are a few of caveats to this technology using Visual FoxPro you should be aware of. Error handling is limited. If an SQL statement references a table that FoxPro can't find, it opens a dialog box prompting the user for the path of the mysterious table. Only after the escape key is pressed will it generate a trappable error. So it might be prudent to check for the existence of the tables with the Delphi function file exists, before executing the query. The query results are sometimes returned in Visual FoxPro file format, something Delphi doesn't currently support. The result set needs to be converted by the DLL, which can take extra time to process. There are two Visual FoxPro runtime DLLs that must be distributed with the Delphi application that add about 3.9 megs to the overall size of the application. In order to legally distribute the Visual FoxPro runtime DLLs or create the OLE DLL, you must own a copy of Visual FoxPro Professional version 5 or greater. Changes since this article was written. Visual FoxPro version 6 and greater do not work with the DLL. You must compile the COM object into an exe. The exe can be registered by executing it once on the computer that will be accessing it. regsvr32.exe is no long necessary.